Now, let's go to this aspect. I think the CBEX issue, the MMM, buttresses one point, that Nigerians crave for opportunity to invest. Now, would you like to just educate Nigerians about some of those platforms?
Investment channels.
Exactly.
Very well. Thank you again. Nigerians crave to invest, and the Nigerian capital market is robust enough for that investment. So you have public office, shares of companies listed on the floor of the exchange, or that is the Nigerian Exchange, or NASD, or even bonds issued by federal government and companies, which are all regulated. That is one way to invest. Another way to invest, which is very popular, is through mutual funds and collective investment schemes. These are less risky investments because of the pulling together of various portfolios in order to invest, in order to diversify investments. So these are less risky investments. Every investment has a risk. Yeah. Your risk tolerance, determines the kind of investment that you are supposed to get yourself engaged in. And one of the things we say in the investment world, if you do not understand this, please speak to your investment advisor, your lawyer, your accountant, and any other capital market operator. Let's steal the SEC to explain to you clearly what these investments are. However, it becomes very, very disturbing that most people intend to reap investments 100%, 100-fold, 1,000-fold, almost immediately.
So it has to do with greed as well.
Well, that's, for want of a better word. But what is even more disturbing is that people do not tell each other when they do those investments because they want to outplay or outdo each other in being rich. So because you do not say it, the other person does not know. It's kept a secret until the day the die is cast. And that is when you now discover that, two people in the same house were into that investment, but none of them told each other to be able to spread the news. And that is why the information does not come out. This level of secrecy, right, when the people get involved in, when you see this kind of investments that are not good at all, are not true at all.
But these Ponzi schemes actually involve, you bring one person to get two people, that's how you get your profit. So if you say it's shadowed, that is actually the way that Ponzi grows.
Yes, so
you have to bring 2 or 3 people to make your profit grow.
When they do that, you know what they do? They make sure that whoever they are telling is somebody that is as gullible as they are.
Okay.
In fact, oftentimes, they don't tell it to the person close to them. The next person they want to bring is somebody from outside that will not ask them the questions that the person close to them will ask them. So the tricks are many, right? And so that is why, you have, a lot of it happening, and people still do it. I can tell you that as with this current situation, if another Ponzi scheme comes through, people will not.
People will definitely think